All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Dream on Wheels. It is time for, once again, that weekly drink. Today, we're going to make something I like to call a little twisted. A little twisted lemonade, that is. Perfect for summer weather. Of course, you're going to have some freshly squeezed lemons, 1/3 of a cup of raw honey, some sparkling water, which, why use just sparkling water when the whole thing's lemonade? So we're going to use some sparkling lemonade, vodka, some filtered water, and of course, the pitcher with it to do it all. So let's see how we do this here. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta take our lemons, we gotta squeeze them out. We're gonna get them sliced open so we can squeeze them out here. That's how we're gonna start out. Done, all done. All right, so now that we've got our lemon squeezed and in there, which we ended up doing 6 lemons. You can use 4 to 5. We really like our lemons, so I go with 6. And then now we're gonna take and add in, right here I have 4 cups of water. We're gonna put that in. Then we're gonna add in our 1/3 cup of the raw honey. And we'll get that all mixed up. Now, normally with this, at this point, you could take, once you're done mixing this, and you could take and just chill this part of it, put it up in the fridge, and then when you go to make your individual glasses, you would take and pour about 3/4 of a cup of the mixture, juice mix, into your glass with 1.5 ounces of the vodka, and then you splash some of the sparkling water in there. But I like to go ahead and pre-mix the whole batch for us, because we'll go through it. It also makes it easier for her. So we'll do up the whole thing here. Make sure we're good and mixed up here. And so we'll go ahead and add in. So what it works out to is when you do this big batch, if you do it a big batch like this, it's 12 ounces of the vodka. And then because of the way that I do it, I will end up taking in a whole thing of the sparkling water and adding it in. Now this is a 17-ounce container of the sparkling water. So we've got all that stirred up, mixed in. Now you gotta do is just pour it over some ice or chill it, whichever way. Try to get the rest of that honey out of the container. You know, every last little bit. No wastage. All right. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a twisted lemonade. Perfect for the summer. I'll show you the garnishment later.